Welcome to Get Glimpse channel. Canva is an indispensable tool for anyone managing an Instagram presence, from individual creators to large businesses. Its intuitive interface combined with powerful features, especially with a Canva Pro subscription, allows you to create stunning on-brand Instagram content efficiently. Here is an updated guide on how to use Canva for Instagram posts, focusing on templates, editing tricks, and brand consistency. Let's start by accessing Canva. Just open your favorite browser. I'm inside Google Chrome right in here. Now just type in www.canva.com like this and just click on enter. And this will bring you to your homepage. You'll be required to sign up to your account, but it's free. And you'll be brought in here to the homepage. Now on the Canva homepage, type Instagram post right here in the search bar. This is the best way to get the correct dimensions for a standard square, that is 1080 by 1080 pixels. You'll also find options for Instagram story, that is 1080 by 1920 pixels, which is vertical, Instagram's Reel, which is 1080 by 1920 vertical, and we also have one for Instagram Carousel, which are typically multiple 1080 by 1080 slides. Select the format that best suits your content. Now let's leverage the templates for speed and inspiration. Canva's template library is a treasure trove for Instagram content. We can now browse and filter the templates. So once you have selected your Instagram post format, the design tab on the left hand menu will display thousands of templates. Just use the search bar and filters to narrow down templates by first industry or theme. That is, can either be fashion, it can also be food. We also have fitness, quotes, marketing, and many more. You also have style, where you can filter it by minimalist, modern, vibrant, and you can also use color, where you can filter by specific color palettes if you have brand guidelines. This is a pro tip for this. Even if you don't use a template entirely, you can pick elements, that is layouts, font combinations, graphic styles from various templates and combine them into your own design. Now let's customize it and choose any template. Click on a template to apply it to your canvas. Remember, every element on a Canva template is fully customizable. So this is where you can make it your own. These are now some of the essential editing tricks for Instagram posts. Canva's drag and drop editor offers robust tools to make your post shine. We can add your media here, that is photos and videos. Just go to the Uploads tab right here on the left and click on it. You can drag and drop your photos or short video clips or click upload files. When you click upload, you'll just be taken to your file explorer, where you can choose your photo or video from your files. Now, once it's in here, you can drag your uploaded media directly onto the canvas. Right click and choose set image or video as background for full canvas coverage. You can also have stock videos and photos. Use the elements tab to search Canvas massive library for free and pro stock media if you need additional visuals. Now let's get to the text and typography. Go to the text tab right here. You can add headings, subheadings, or body text. Also, font selection is key. Access your brand fonts, that is, see brand consistency below, or explore Canva's extensive font library. Text effects is also key. Select your text box and click effects in the top toolbar to add shadows. You can add outlines right here, as you can see. You can add curves, you can add glitches, and many of these. Text animations is also there. That is for reels and stories. Select text, go ahead and click animate in the top toolbar right here and choose dynamic entry or exit animations. That is, we have typewriter, as you can see. You also have fade, you also have rise, and many more of these. You can also have now elements for visual impact. So the elements tab right here is your playground for graphics. You can have shapes and lines. Use these to create visual dividers, highlight text, or form unique backgrounds. You also have graphics and stickers. Search for icons, illustrations, stickers, that is animated for reels or stories. You can filter by static or animated and free or pro. For frames and grids, this is also essential. Frames, this one you can drag a frame onto your design, then drag your photo or video into the frame. It will automatically crop to fit the shape. You can see this one is great for profile picture cutouts or letter shaped photos, etc. We have something called grids. You can create collages or multiple photo layouts, drag a grid onto your design, then drag your photos or videos into each section, which is really awesome. We also have layout and alignment now. You have smart guides here. Canva can automatically show pink alignment lines when you drag elements, helping you center them or align them with other elements. We also have position tool. Select multiple elements and click position in the top toolbar to precisely align them. That is either left, right, center, top, middle, bottom, and tidy up to distribute them evenly. We have layers. So for complex designs, use the layers panels to select and manage overlapping elements easily as well. Now these are some of the export tips for Instagram. Just preview your design. Always use the play button right here if it's a video or animated post, or zoom in to 100% to thoroughly check your design for typos, alignment issues, and quality before downloading it. Now these are some of the download settings. Just go ahead and click on share button right here in the top right corner. You will now need to click download right here at the bottom as well. Now for the file type, we have PNG, which is recommended for high quality images with the text and graphics. We also have JPG, which is good for photos if a file size is a concern, but PNG is generally preferred for Instagram. MP4 video is also key, essential for video posts, reels, or animated designs. We also have GIFs, which is for short, looping animations without sound, often lower quality than MP4. Size or quality is also here. For Instagram, 1080 by 1080 pixels or 1080 by 1350 for portrait, 1080 by 566 for landscape is ideal. Canva usually defaults to the correct resolution. Don't worry about this. Now go ahead and download the pages as separate files. This one is for Pro. So for carousels, this is a must-have Pro feature. It downloads each page of your design as a separate image file, ready for easy upload to Instagram as a multi-slide post. If you don't have Pro, you'll need to download each page individually, like mine. Now you can upload to Instagram. Just transfer the downloaded files to your mobile device, like mine in here. I now have it in my mobile device. I used a USB cable to transfer it right here. Now go ahead and click on your Instagram app to open it. In here we have all these reels, and just go ahead and click on this plus icon. From these options, just select your created images or video right here from your gallery. Now go ahead and add your caption, add hashtags, location, and then share. Let your audience enjoy. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, then please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.